We offer you updates on crypto airdrops, technical analysis, and sharing lucrative money making opportunities online.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's X. And in this video, we're talking about the PAWS. Alright, congratulations everyone if you've gotten your PAWS token into your designated exchanges like the Bybit, Bitget. Other exchanges said they're going to come into the market, which is the Binance and the OKX. But not quite sure they have if they have already decided to list the POS token on its exchanges. But nevertheless, um, if you haven't received your tokens yet, this is what you should do. All right. So, what you should do is be patient, be calm. Pulse is still yet. We're still in the distribution phase where Pulse airdrop is still allocating individuals Pulse token to the exchanges, those who are yet to receive. All right. So from the Pulse, so all tokens have been sent to everyone on Bitget and Bybit. So everyone, please check you've received your token on Bitget and Bybit. But some here are saying I haven't gotten mine in the Bybit. Some are saying I haven't received the Bybit. In my own case, let's go to the exchanges to be sure that I've gotten mine. All right. So I'm going to check into my Bitget wallet. All right. So I'm going to click on assets. And once I click on assets, I'm going to click on the spot. I'm going to click on the spot. Then I'm going to scroll down, or I come to the search bar and I click on the search bar, then search for PAWS. All right. So here is my own allocation. This is my own token, which I received, which is 13,696 PAWS token. All right. Unlike some that got received their PAWS token and got additional PAWS token from the Bitget exchange. All right. And this question comes in. This question, people ask about this question, if you can actually use multiple accounts to multiple tokens or multiple accounts to connect to one exchanges. The answer for this is that I see most people here, which you see on the right screen. Some people connected multiple accounts, like 2 to 3 accounts, to one a Bitget, and receive their full airdrop on the biggest exchange, and especially on the Bybit, except for some who didn't receive. All right, and some said their tokens was reduced. But and also, if you have not received your post token into the exchanges like the Bybit and Bitget, all you have to do is wait patient. You're going to receive your tokens by tonight or by the end of the day, by today, or you receive it tomorrow at exactly before the listing day. And if eventually you didn't receive it after the listing, you are going to get your PAWS token in your on chain, all right, like the Solana wallet. But remember, you are going to need a gas fee. You are going to be charged a fee, like a gas fee, all right, to be able to claim your tokens and send to the exchanges. And this thing is going to happen tomorrow, which we have seen the time in individual's country. All right, it's going to happen around 11 o'clock a.m. UTC. So in Bangladesh, it's 5 o'clock p.m. Nigeria time is 12 o'clock p.m. Indian, if you're in Indian, 4:30 p.m. Pakistan is 4 o'clock p.m. Nepal is 4:45 p.m. Ghana is 11 o'clock a.m. and Philippines is around 7 o'clock p.m. All right, so get to safe position, and you know how it is in the strategy: sell immediately and also buy on the deep. And before buying it, they wait for confirmation to be sure that price is going to give you any kind of momentum or a spike. All right, so get your confirmation right, then you enter into the market to get a little profit from it. All right, or from my own advice, sell immediately. When you sell immediately, buy immediately if you are willing to lose about $1 or $2 from your house. All right, because in the forex, or in my experience in the forex trading, if you're going to make profits, you should be willing enough to lose at least 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira, depending on the profit depending on your capital you're coming in with the market. All right. And good news for PAWS is that PAWS is also coming in with PAWS is also coming in with what's it called? Is also coming in with the um, futures trading and on the sports too. So which is called the perpetual and the sports. So PAWS is also coming in with the spot market and into the perpetual trading. All right. If you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and more videos coming in your way. See you in my next video. Bye.